envisioning a future for India that's both equitable and sustainable. Featuring healthier landscapes and thriving communities through the Harit Bharat Fund. The Harit Bharat Fund nurtures India's restoration champions, supporting their endeavors to restore forests, farms and common lands, accelerating a restoration-based economy. Prioritizing needs of the people, the Harit Bharat Fund provides financial support and capacity building assistance to a diverse range of ventures. These include startups, farmer-producer companies, and non-governmental organizations. The program provides financial support to these projects with funding amount between 20 lakhs and 2.5 crore rupees, along with capacity building assistance. It's a stride towards creating resilient livelihoods, generating more job opportunities, elevating incomes, and ensuring both food security and nutritional well-being. This journey can build prosperous communities capable of withstanding the climate challenges. Together, let's restore India's landscapes for generations to come. Are you a restoration champion driven to magnify your impact across India? Take a leap forward and join the Harit Bharat Fund.